Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can check the existing or outstanding loans which you have on your EMI credit card or credit card EMIs. So let's get started. So log into your net banking account and you can see in the top menu there's an option called cards, the fourth option from the starting. Click on that. After you click on cards, in the left side menu you can see various options like transact, inquire and request. Select the inquire, which is almost third option from the start. And in the inquire, the last option is loan details. Please click on that. So after clicking on loan details, you have to select the card or select the credit card for which against which you want to check the EMI details. Now I'll click the credit card or select the credit card for which I wish to see the details, and I'll click on view. So there are two loans against my credit card, and you can see three details of each loan is displayed. One is loan number, another is loan amount, the amount for which I've purchased using credit card, and the status active or not. So both are active because it's not been a year since I've taken this loans. So to get more info about that, the loan number, they have made it an hyperlink to check more about that. So I'll click on that. So now we can see more details came up: loan number, loan book date, what is the loan type of I don't know what is this loan type. We'll let you know in the future videos. This is the principal amount, and this is the interest rate at which I have been charged for the principal amount, and this is the tenure, that is 24 months or 2 years I have taken it. And this is the outstanding principal because I've taken it almost an year ago, year or 10 months ago, and currently the outstanding principal is this. To know how much EMI and principal amount, or how much interest and principal is being paid in every EMI, I'll click on the EMI table. So in this EMI table you can see this is the principal amount, and the interest amount and EMI date. So you can see the interest amount and principal amount are varying for each and every month. You can see that principal amount is increasing month by month, and interest amount is reducing. So by the end, the interest amount is almost 18 rupees, and the principal amount is this. So the bank people would initially take off or recover their interest amount first compared to the principal amount which you have borrowed from them. And as months roll on and you near the tenure date, they'll be collecting less interest and more principal. So this way you'll be charged some interest and some principal amount on each EMI. So this way you can check the loan details or EMI purchases which are existing on your HDFC credit card through HDFC Netbanking. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries regarding HDFC credit card or net banking, let me know through the comment section. If you find this video useful, do like this video and share your feedback through the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never